As per the parliamentary rules and procedure, Shaktran called, leader of opposition is actually a shadow prime minister. You can see in this session, leader of opposition is not being allowed to speak anything in this house. You can see that the government side can say anything. With the derogative remarks, they can attack anybody, those who are not alive also. And the Honorable Speaker himself is making allegation against the Congresswomen MPs. Well, there is no space for opposition in this house at all. Whether it is leader of opposition or any other opposition leader, party leader, they are not getting any chance to speak. They are not even allowed. This is in this, you can verify, you can check the records of this parliament, this house. This type of attitude towards the opposition is not happened any time. That will, after action, you will get no.
Not to move the no conference motion. It is all because of the compulsory situation created by Speaker. There is no other alternative to the opposition parties except moving no conference motion. Last week, total week, you know, when Rahul Gandhi wanted as a LOP leader to speak, he is not allowed. He was stopped talking half of his speech. Remaining half he wanted to speak, but it is not given. And not only not given, whenever we are asking permission to talk, they are continuously 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, then 11 o'clock continuously. It shows they are having a fixed agenda, adjournment of the house, not to give permission to the LOP. Today morning we asked for the permission for LOP to speak. That also is not given. So what to do? This is all must have been done by the pressure of Modi BJP government, but it is done apparently by the Speaker. So there is no other go except considering to move no confidence motion against the Speaker. That is what is under.
రాహుల్ గాంధీ మొండితనం వల్లే పార్లమెంట్ వాయిదా పడుతోందన్నారు కేంద్ర మంత్రి కిరణ్ రిజిజు. కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ కారణంగానే లోక్సభలో రాష్ట్రపతి ప్రసంగంపై ధన్యవాద తీర్మానం చర్చించలేదన్నారు. ఇప్పటికైనా విపక్షాలు కలిసి రావాలన్నారు రిజిజు.
वजह से बजट का भी पारित ध्वनि मत से करना पड़े, ये संवैधानिक प्रक्रिया है, पारित तो करना ही है. अगर चर्चा का बिना ध्वनि मत से यानी कि वॉइस वोट से अगर पारित करना पड़ा तो इसका नुकसान ऑपोजिशन एमपीज का सबसे ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि वो अपना बात नहीं बोल पाएंगे. हमारे भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए के जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं, सबने बोलने वालों का सूची तैयार करके दे चुका है. अगर एमपीज बोलने के लिए मौका नहीं मिलेंगे तो जिम्मेदार कांग्रेस पार्टी का होगा. कांग्रेस पार्टी एक राहुल गांधी जी का एक जिद को लेकर के सदन को ठप करके रखा हुआ है. राहुल गांधी जी अपना बात बोलना है तो 24 घंटे वो बोलते ही हैं. प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बोले, जहां भी बोले भाषणबाजी करते ही हैं. वो मोदी जी को गाली देते रहते हैं. वो हम लोग तो मना नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन सदन में पार्लियामेंट के अंदर में तो नियम से ही बोलना पड़ेगा. इसलिए अगर नियम के बाहर जा करके बोलेंगे तो व्यवस्था तो पहले से बना हुआ है. कांग्रेस के जो पुराने नेता है, राहुल गांधी के दादा दादी लोगों के समय में जो नियम बनाया है खुद ही तोड़ रहे हैं. हम लोग तो नियम को हिफाजत करना चाहते हैं. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि हम हाउस चलाना चाहते हैं, और हाउस अगर बंद करना चाहते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी, तो बाकी पार्टी जो छोटे छोटे पार्टी के एमपी से उनका बड़ा नुकसान.